Hello everyone, greetings of the day. This is Komal Mathur, a legal intern at Lexis & Company and a law student at Manipal University, Jaipur. I am glad to have this opportunity of interning with Lexis & Company, which has given me this chance to present in front of you all. So today's topic or purpose of our video is marital rape. All forms of sexual assault involving non-consensual contact with a woman are included in the definition of rape codified into Section 375 of Indian Penal Code or IPC. Marital rape or spousal rape is the act of sexual intercourse with one's spouses without one's spouse's consent. The lack of consent is an essential element and need not to involve any kind of physical violence. Marital rape is considered a form of domestic violence and sexual abuse. Exception 2 to Section 375, on the other hand, exempts reluctant sexual intercourse between a wife and a husband over the age of 15 from the definition of the rape under the Section 375 of IPC, and so protects such action from the prosecution. After entering into a marital intercourse, a wife is presumed to give her husband an eternal agreement to have sex with her. While practically every country in the world recognizes unwanted sexual contact between a husband and wife as a crime, India is one of the 36 countries that has yet to prosecute marital rapes. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution states that the state shall not refuse to any individual within the territory of India equality before law or equal protection of the laws. Despite the fact that Indian Constitution provides equality to all its people, Indian criminal law discriminates against women who have been raped by their own husbands. Now let us talk about a recent contrasting judgment which is probably being a talk of the country for the last 4 days. Justice N.K. Chandravanshi relied upon an exemption under the Section 375 of IPC, which states that sexual intercourse or sexual act by a man with his own wife, the wife not being under the age of 15 years, is not a rape. Chhattisgarh High Court on Thursday discharged men from facing trial for allegedly raping his wife. Given that Indian law does not recognize marital rape if the wife is above 15 years of age. The High Court was hearing a criminal revision plea by the husband against the framing of charges based on the complaint by his wife. While charges under 376 punishment for rape were deemed to be erroneous and illegal, the court upheld the charges under Section 377, which is about unnatural offences, Section 498 Clause A relating to cruelty to women against the husband. Now, the judge hence noted, in the case, the complainant is legally wedded wife of applicant number 1. Therefore, sexual intercourse or any kind of sexual act with her by the applicant number 1, that is husband, could not be constitute an offence of rape. If it was done by force or against her wish, doesn't matter. The wife's complaint alleges that she was subjected to cruelty, abuse, and dowry harassment days after her marriage. She has also alleged that her husband had unnatural physical relations with her and, despite her protest, inserted his fingers and a radish inside her vagina. Taking note of the allegations of cruelty which have been supported by the parents and the neighboring witnesses, the judges held, I do not find any infirmity in framing charge under the Section 498A or 34 of the IPC against the applicant. The court also sustained the charges under Section 377 while observing that where dominant intention of the offender is to derive unnatural sexual satisfaction, repeatedly insert any object in the sex organ of the victim and consequently derive sexual pleasure, such act would constitute a carnal intercourse which is against the order of nature. Earlier this month, the Kerala High Court held that marital rape is valid ground for divorce even though it is not penalized in India, calling it a cruelty. So I would like to know your thoughts about it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please comment.